Alright, I'm here with my boy Mayor. He was being on YouTube now.
Thanks, man, for coming out.
Anyway, so back in COVID, I go to the store to buy toilet paper, right? And there's no toilet paper on the shelves. So, of course, I do a lot of jobs. I know a lot of people. So I'm like, hey, this guy sells to restaurants. Let me call him. And I call him there and I'm like, hey, you got toilet paper? And he's like, yeah, I got plenty of toilet paper. So I said, I'm coming to get some boxes. I live on like a main street.
What did you try to jam it in your car? Like, what did you have? Your van?
Yeah.
Like, stuffing it in?
I said, forget locksmithing. I'm going into toilet paper selling. And I hear, look at my phone. I had that. Someone even called the cops on me, so I sold them toilet paper. And we had a whole toilet paper set. We were cheaper than the stores. I think I sold them for $1 a roll, which is pretty nice, you know. And yeah, there was no shortage of toilet paper during COVID. That was a lie. Anyway, what do you need to have down here?
We just got into our new place. We need some backdoor keys. Right now, we don't have keys to these back doors, so it's really annoying for the guys to go in and out.
Yeah.
Well, if it closes, we're not going to get back in.
Okay, that one? Okay.
But is that the same? Would it be the same as the one on the other side?
I can make it the same. Commercially, I don't give you keys when you move in, huh?
Well, I don't know. This is kind of an odd situation.
Yeah, that was a toilet
right
right
there.
there.
Front door, but you think it's probably as of now the same key. I don't.
Did you try the front door key on it?
Yes, I did. I'm
Okay.
gonna try it again. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. I don't really need this key because we're not really using this door much, but it's the same type of lock.
Yeah, I could do it. Too.
You're gonna rekey the whole thing, or it's just
Probably rekey it. That way, if there's a key floating.
The mail key you could just make. You don't need to read.
I can either make a key or replace the lock. You're allowed to. People that say on what is it, on Instagram that you're not allowed to, it's federal property, you're allowed to. It's not federal property. It's a federal crime to break into somebody's mailbox, but your own, you could open it and replace the lock.
But so when I asked them for the key to the mailbox,
They didn't have one.
they don't have one. They say you got to go to the mail.
Yeah, you don't have to. We do them all the time. I actually did 2 today.
This one goes easy.
Yeah.
But on the back door it doesn't. So I don't know why.
Should I make that the back door key as well? How many keys do you have?
That would be perfect.
Okay.
It's the post office's job.
Uh-huh.
I'm not dealing with the post office. The government sucks.
Yeah.
You want to walk in there, they laugh at you. They said 3 to 4 weeks to get a key or something.
Really? Which one is it?
One.
All right. I'll make you a key right now. Yeah, I could actually just make a key to that. So, no, that's different.
Kind of curious how you do it.
Yeah, come on. I'll show you.
Yeah, I said that was illegal with a lot of people getting USB.
Let him try to arrest me. No, it's not illegal. It's not illegal. AI doesn't know. AI doesn't know. They know some, but they don't know everything, I guess. You said number 1, right?
Yeah.
And then basically, once I pick it, I can just read the cuts and cut a key. But the mail guy, he doesn't use your actual. He doesn't use your key. You know that, right?
That's true, right? It just goes in the back.
He uses this key.
Yeah.
That opens the whole box.
Right. So maybe that's
like a high security.
so those are not. You can't pick those. Are not pickable.
I never actually tried, but this tool for sure wouldn't work on there. It's a different keyway. So the key, the tool would have to fit in for me to be able to pick it. Anyway, pick it. You know, people ask me, oh, just pry these doors open, right? This one that's that thick, you're not going to pry this open. If you pry it open, you're going to bend the door before you bend that. So those are the really, really thick ones.
Does it look like you can pry that open that easily?
I mean, there's some that are a lot more flimsy. You could just take a, empty. And then to cut a key, you just read these numbers. Yours was a little bit harder to pick because who was here?
Well,
Oh, the door company.
Shoe door and hardware.
I guess that's who it was, huh? They got a thank you letter. Thank you for being here for 16 years and leaving the place like a disaster.
101. See, we have suite 101 and 102. You think the mail? I mean, but I'm telling everybody to send everything to 101.
We just started forwarding our mails. That's why you don't make
I could do both. I don't know.
I mean, it should be just in 101.
So these numbers are really low down, so I have to really pick deep. What am I doing? I can't see nothing. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. All right, let me cut you a key. That's it. Yeah. 1 is 0 and 0 is 1 is 0 and 2 is 1. You know, it's cool having those numbers. Whenever you need a key, you just call me and say, hey, cut me a key.
1?
Yeah. If I did it right. Yeah, I did. I didn't have it in all the way. Cool. Once or twice, putting it in and out will make it smooth.
Can you cut me can you cut me a second key?
Yeah. Yeah, it's different. So I'll get you the other one too.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. Alright, let's do the other one. Step number 4. Oh, number 1. There you go. That was faster. Alright, let's read this one. We got 4. That's it. Cut 2 for this one. Actually, I'll stamp them for him. Two. He's gonna ask me how I did that, so I'll tell him to watch the video. Bag Unlimited. Check them out. If you're a commercial enterprise, a restaurant, hospital, you're local, your family, business. Alright, where are we going? Here.
Oh, thank you. He opened up the back door for you.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's 1 and 2? Oh, cool.
Oh, nice and cool in here.
Let's see what happens. But, yeah, I forwarded the mail, but
Who's got the RV? That's your
one of
RV?
my employees, yeah,
He lives out there?
sometimes.
Nice. So
He gets in that fight with his girlfriend.
Oh, really?
He got the option. He said he got a really good deal. It's like a 1990, but it only has like 40,000 miles on it.
Well, if he could live out there for free, he's way ahead of the game.
Yeah, I mean,
And you got security.
yeah.
So
They have the gates locked. This is the hood. I mean, this is like.
Huh?
This is what do you call that?
Maryville.
Maryville. There you go.
Right.
We're on the border, so it's not as bad.
Alright, where's that key for the phone? How many? Do you have a lot of copies or like?
Yeah, I
some
have a lot of copies.
Okay. Hopefully it's not too worn out.
Oh, I have new copies too.
You do?
The Straw's got a new one, yeah.
Man, there's barely any cuts on this key.
Oh, you want to see something? So the first day we got in here, they only gave me 1 key.
Yeah.
So I needed more keys. So I went right to the, whatever on the corner.
Yeah.
And they made a key that doesn't even work.
Yeah.
gonna look different, but don't worry, it's gonna work. And it doesn't work.
No, those cuts are different. So you can tell by.
This is that
Actually, not too bad.
those ones from the kiosk.
Yeah. It doesn't turn?
No. It says it's gonna look different, but don't worry, it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
All right, how many you need? I'll cut you some.
So I got a couple, the regular ones, the thicker ones.
Oh, interesting.
Right, where there's like, yeah, it's a white key, but so your Stroll's got another key. We have enough keys for the front of the car. I mean, we should maybe one or two.
So if I put it on the same key, then you're good, basically.
Yeah.
Put the bar up there for now. Oh, I need that. Shoot. Anyway, I'm gonna take this out. Find those little pieces. Damn, they fell down in here somewhere. Nope, got one. Maybe there's only one. Nope, got it. Okay. Anyway, all I needed is this to rekey it. See, I could just read his key with the machine. Although that takes time, I don't really need to. I could read it with a little device. Or I can just I pretty much know what these cuts are, but I'll have it up here so I can just look at it when I rekey it, decode. All right, let me start taking this lock apart. So to take it apart, we take the back side off of it. And then I'm going to shim it. All right, I got all the cuts. This might be a 6-pin lock. But maybe not. One more. I think this is a 6-pin lock. We'll see right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 6-pin, but there's only 5 pins, which is good. We'll just make sure that the top chamber is missing and it's empty, so that's good. We'll key his key up, key it up to his key. Two of these, and we're done. Make sure the key works. Make sure you put that in with that hole facing up away from those top pins, or you will run into trouble. That key worked. This key works. Let's put it back together. It's actually important to know when you take it apart which way it was. I wasn't really paying attention. That's okay. Pretty sure it was straight up and down. If not, we'll just redo it. You could look at my video too, I guess, right? But to really know which way, you can look in here. Doesn't really matter. It could be either way. So we'll be okay. All right, we're gonna put this back on and be done. Oops. All right, let's see. So this is actually gonna go on the outside. This goes on the inside. It prevents the cylinder from coming out once you put these screws on. Straight. All right, we'll put this back on. So we got one. Once you get one, you're good, pretty much. That was good. Okay. Let's test our keys out. Oh, you're amazing. Whew. God bless you. Thank you. All right. All right. It's good to see you here. Stay there. Mm-hmm. I'll come here every day. Keys work. Put this cover back on. And then on to the next one. I got it right there. You don't want to be in it? No? I might have got you already.
I was gonna say I kind of snuck in. It's good enough.
That's funny. Come on, you can preach to them. They need to hear somebody, you know? Just show me the one that you need, the one that you need a key for.
I want.
One. There you go. Here. Here's your key back.
I see one more pair of doors for Armando. I should ask him.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna make a key to this one. Hopefully it works on the rest of them. If not, we'll rekey it to match. So to make a key, just take the cylinder out. Alright, so to make a key to this lock, instead of rekeying it, which should technically be a little faster when there's 3 of them, take your clip off, shim it, just like you would rekey it. Now just make sure your pins don't fall out. We need those pins. Pins are in. We're gonna read it. How do you read it? You stick a key in there. You look for your ones that are flush. It looks like a 3 just from the color, but we're gonna do 2. 2, 1, 1, 3. I'm gonna do it by the color. 3 on 1, 3, 5. That should be the right one. Or 6. 3, 1, 1, 3, 6. A lot of the pins are color coded, so. Key blank. Oops. Key blank. KW. Direct. 3, 1, 1, 3, 6. That feels like the same as the front door, just on a quickset key. Look how close that is. Anyway, you didn't hear that from me. Key in. So even though they're color coded, those are actually wrong. There's a 2 deep. So I'm going to back it up by 1 number. 2, 1, 1, 2, 5. And that should be correct. Use trash. What do I do with the blanks? I don't want to. I thought my numbers were off, but I was actually correct. See, it would have been smarter to cut it shallower as opposed to cutting it deeper, but it's okay. And there we go. That should turn. And we're just going to go check and see if the other locks are the same key. Yeah, we know the whole inside could be the same key. Let's see. Oh, I left this in my car. All right, that works there. Yep, works there too. Yeah, so yours are,
He says it's the same for everyone there.
so these 3, all 3 of these.
Okay.
So
But it doesn't work here or Mayor's.
No, okay, let's go.